Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a get it all done clean with me. We will be tackling a lot of messes that I had throughout the house that really needed to get cleaned up. So if you are here for some cleaning motivation, then you are in the right place. So we are starting off in my dining room, and we have been eating at home a lot more, which means that I'm cooking a lot more, which means that we are using our dining table a lot more. So it really needed a deep clean. So I am using the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint, or no, pine. Peppermint. I think I go back and forth between the two, the peppermint and the pine. And I'm trying to use those all up before Christmas is over, before December is over at least. But anyways, just wiping everything down using that spray.
Come a little bit closer. Yeah, you're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, come a little bit closer.
And then I also gave my dining chairs a good clean. I love my dining set, but these chairs, it's honestly a rare occasion when they're spot free and fingerprint free, because they're so white and it's like that shiny white material. So any little fingerprint you're able to see. So I don't clean these as much as I should, but today, like I said, we are getting it all done.
I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over.
And then once I was done cleaning the dining table, I started to sweep and then proceeded to mop. And I like to mop and sweep by room. So for example, if I'm already all done cleaning the dining room, I will go in and sweep and mop. I don't like to sweep and mop when I'm done with the whole house. I don't know why. I feel like it's just better for me if I do it by sections, because then I can go into each room as opposed to having to wait for the whole floors to dry. But anyways, I'm talking too much, but yeah, that's just what I'm doing here.
All my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye.
And in my living room, it hasn't been too crazy, to be honest. Most of the time it's just blankets that need to be folded and of course my throw pillows. But on this particular day, I really needed to vacuum the sofa. So I took off all of the the pillows off the sofa, and I went in with my vacuum to vacuum all the crumbs. We have this rule in our house that the kids are not supposed to eat on them, even the adults, me and my husband, but we still do it, especially now that we've been home a lot more. So it was just bad. So don't judge me, but at least I cleaned it. And TBH, I am so over all these throw pillows. I hate to say it, but I'm ready to take down the decor, well, at least in my living room. And I'm so tempted to just get rid of all these throw pillows because I think I pick them up off the floor more than they are on the actual couch. I know what you're thinking. Dang girl, how long you gonna vacuum for? But I really like to make sure that this rug is really clean when I vacuum it, especially like I said, because we spend so much time here. And then I moved on to kind of the area where our entertainment center is and just picked up lots of the little toys that the kids have laying around, and they love to play with in this little area here. And on this little table, I use it for their snack time. And so just wiping that down, and I've said it before, I always have little grimy fingerprints on this entertainment center, so I have to clean this almost daily, to be honest.
I can't just call you when the moon is rising. I'm craving every moment with you. I can't just need you when the tides are turning. I cherish every second with you. I've got to hold on to your heart every day of the week, every week of the year. I've got to rewind and restart.
So now moving on to the kitchen, and I actually went backwards this day. I usually start in my kitchen, but for whatever reason this day I left it towards the middle. But anyways, I always like to start here on my island and just clearing everything off, all the junk that we just tend to toss on here. And I'm still using the Mrs. Meyer's in the peppermint scent. It smells just like candy canes. And then I'm just cleaning off the counter space. I get so anxious when I see so much clutter on my counters. I don't know, it just gives me anxiety, to be honest, when I see just stuff all over the place. Even this fruit basket, I have to go through it sometimes because I feel like there's too much fruit on it. I don't know, is that weird? But so if you have been following me for a while, then you know that I hand wash all my dishes. So as I'm washing them, I rinse them off. I will place them off to the left side of the sink. So I always wipe down that side before I start to wash my dishes. And I am using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the peppermint scent, the peppermint scent as well. Oh, what I would give to actually be able to wash the dishes this fast. And then the last thing I did in the kitchen was sweep and mop, but we all know that this only lasts for so long, especially with little ones in the house.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Moving on to the bathrooms. This is the bathroom that me and my husband use, and then the boys have their bathroom. It's not their bathroom, but it's just the one that they use. And our bathrooms are actually quite small, and we're actually thinking of tearing down some walls and making it a bigger bathroom and just making it one huge bathroom as opposed to two small ones. So if that's something that you guys would like to see on my channel on the process of that, let me know down below.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby.
And then the last thing I did was sweep and mop the hallway. And by this time, I wanted to clean the rooms, but by this time, as you can see, Luna was just over me cleaning and wanted some mommy time. So that was it for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and found some cleaning motivation from it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Love you guys. Catch you on the next one.